We'll be starting in just a minute.
She's Captain taking it off the lines. Love and respect for showing up when literally zero price action is gonna happen in stocks. You're lucky 777 _didn't flag.
Next door, Uchideshi. Super appreciate that, my man. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Coming at you live, 6:40 a.m. West Coast, USA. Happy Crypto Day. Crypto special. Stock market's closed. Fuck you, S&P. Thanks so much, Uchideshi, man. Goes, geez, Captain, take a day off for once. Love and respect for showing up when literally zero price action's gonna happen. We're lucky, 777. I don't right under that touch. Light speed, work that. No stopping this freight train. Imagine Carl joining you. Let's see what we got here. Let's see who's doing that time. The most savage crypto traders. Be interesting also. We'll do a quick kind of market summary, I do want to mention a couple of things that happened yesterday again. And we'll dive deep into crypto. Part of this is going to be a quality test today. We should be all good to go now. I spent a lot more time looking into all the settings and everything yesterday, trying to fix everything I fucking possibly could. We should be 100% good to go today. Hoping no disconnects, no weird thing, YouTube things. Let's see if it's all smooth today. Because nothing was smooth yesterday. Yesterday everything was going crazy. Dollar went straight up. My goodness, we had that major dollar pump. That was causing a lot of damage to our stock charts. Now it's flat. That's what's funny about being live right now. So we'll play it by hour. We'll just have a nice mellow morning, and if there's a lot of action, we'll keep going for a while. If things slow down, we'll just have a half-day live show. Flexible. As long as I can cover everything that needs to be covered. So suspiciously flat on the dollar, which makes it kind of funny because we may or may not get any price action. It could be pretty flat. Uchi-Deshi's right, it could be slowly flat. He was talking about our stocks, but even on crypto. Remember that we started getting the S&P hammering? Dropped over a whole % yesterday. With that happening, things are completely bearish again. They're not pretending to hold up. It's just going right down, and it's kind of dragging even crypto down with it. So that's part of the catch. It's not just the stocks taking some damage, it's also Bitcoin. So I want to talk about it, but it looks like we're over 40K. We're currently over 40K, putting in this bounce. Oh, that's the bell. Market's open. We got Naked Swabby, Easy Bro, David, Duty Party Hat, J-Big, LC, 43, Edstock, Vitali, Jake Mallard, Amco, Robert Woodyard, Swift Mischief, Avery James, Gizmo, James O'Leary, JD, wait, JD Party Hat already disconnected once. I'm gonna have to check my phone. Yeah, let me know if what's up with that today, if it's better or worse. Apparently YouTube has been having weird issues doing weird things. The link's not even the right one showing on my phone, but it looks like it's all good, so I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna assume it's all good. Gizmo, you too? Man, Nerdy Dark. I literally tested last night for a few hours. Didn't have any disconnects. Didn't have any issues. Apparently I left my coffee in another room. We're gonna need that for crypto crunch. There's lots of attractive ventures right now, that's no question about that. That's no secret. Even Litecoin's been bouncing over 110. Yeah, so this looks like Bitcoin's action as well. This looks very similar to what Bitcoin's doing right now. It's like a cup and handle or something. Send it up to 150. That would be our giant magic triangle breakout. Get it up there, like one. Dash isn't looking good, it's looking too good. Dash and Litecoin looking too good. It's falling Litecoin 110. Dude, the same price. And apparently that was the crypto dip, dude. That was it. Never went any further. It hit $99. Now it's holding 110, so. Okay, the stream's good now. Just let me know if it happens again, so I'm gonna grab my coffee. Imagine. I'm not surprised the name's in the chat. Hey Freddy. It's all the most savage pirates. The ones who are here every day. When the market's close, because the casuals will take the day off. Captain just won slots. Haha. 3 skull and crossbones, baby. People were talking about hotboxing in the chat. Get pretty excited. Yeah, this like wake and bake. Is anyone actively accumulating altcoins right now? Just like this week? September. I made an entry grayscale Litecoin the other day. But that's nothing new. I accumulated that a couple of months or a few, no, longer than that. Way longer than that. Probably 4, 5 months. Maybe even 6 months. I think we started accumulating that back in like August or October or something. A long time ago. The cone heads. Cone head. Que skill con ticket. I was deep in thought for a second. Forgot I was staring at those rude faces. Saying about how long we've been here. How long has it been, Grayscale Bitcoin? December. At least in December. Oh yeah, at least. No, more like back August. It really was. Back in fucking August. This is when we first started accumulating Grayscale Bitcoin. August. My goodness, how about around the 7th and the 10th?
777.
Let's go, Bitcoin big. I'm betting big on this fucking thing.
777.
No, I'm not the only one. Wow, it's still on sale. I'll never lose any money if I keep lowering my cost average. Aha. That's kind of where Grayscale Bitcoin's at in a nutshell. In a cooking nutshell. See, we're gonna have a fun day. Still a good fun day. Still lots to work. Hey, Magic, yeah, we can check out Amanda again. I remember you asked me about that the other day. I guess he's pillaging it. Stop Thor like coin and Grayscale like coin accumulation. Very good, yeah. I was even surprised that when I took a vote, so I voted, do people want this to be more accumulation? Do you want it to stay under $10 another month or two? And the majority voted yes. They do actually want it to stay down right now. They're still buying it, and I'm on that side. I joined the crew. Exactly. Kevin gets excited when the crew's excited. I want to be able to do on the battlefield. When there's a pillaging going on, I have to hop in there on the front line. Get that fucking treasure. Go, go, go. You take the point. The ops at A. Go long A. Watch for flanks. The smoke grenades out. I'm charging in the front line. We didn't charge on this one. I was probably the first one to buy it back there in August, and I'll be the last one to stop buying it. I hit my goal, because I upped my goal. Just like everyone else, essentially. I decided, you know what, the crew's still pillaging it. They want it more accumulation. I'm going to take advantage of this. I said I would keep buying it. The longer it's down here, if it's down here 6 months, I'll buy it every month. I'm sticking to the fucking plan, so that's what I did. Now it's at the low right now on Friday. Well, Thursday, yesterday, today's Friday. Happy Friday. Feels like the weekend already. Kind of nice not having to worry about the S&P today. We'll still monitor the dollar here, though. Dollars can kind of, we might get this dollar move upwards still. Lead to some crypto dip though, potentially. Or not, or will we? Or we get a dollar dip even. It's so flat right now. A slight dollar dip, get some bounces. And it's going back up. So the question on dollar, we know it's trying to go up, but is it going to get some continuation today on the closed holiday for the stocks? Is there going to be enough movement today for it to go anywhere? So perhaps it'll just kind of fade out here, melt down a little bit. And then Monday morning, when the stocks open back up, we get this dollar bounce. Get the real dollar push on Monday, the stock market. So we'll see. It's definitely still as important as it was yesterday. It's just as important as always. The only difference is it's completely flat. Why is it so flat? Everyone's out of dry powder. No traders have any money left to buy the dip. Snowy Lumens was getting a bounce this morning. Of course, Litecoin. 110 is good. Some of the smaller ones, MTV Audio or small market cap, Irish Sky Reward. We'll have to double check some of those today. Because we did find a hidden treasure last time we were charting our altcoins. NEM, XEM. Called NEM though, with an N. So I'm gonna call it NEM, but it's spelled XEM. So if I say NEM, this is what I'm talking about, not XEM. Well, I'm just not gonna say XEM. It's easier to say NEM. Yeah, so we've been waiting on this one in the consolidation down here. There's our extensive accumulation period. And the question is, how long is it going to last down here before it does break out? Hey, Hyphen, Kelly, Naked Swabi, good to see y'all. Yeah, so it's moving similar to the total market cap as well, where we've cleared the downtrend. It's cleared that downtrend. And up here above it. It just hasn't made it very far. It hasn't bounced very far yet. 40% up there. Looking spicy, looking pretty tasty, attractive. More attractive than we realized, because what's the potential? Okay, cool, bullish altcoin, we have tons of bullish altcoin. What's so good about this one? The target, 20x target from 10 cents to $2. 10 cents to $2, not 10 cents to 77 cents, not 10 cents to $1, 10 cents to $2. 20x. So, while it's sitting right here at 0.099, a fraction of a penny under 10 cents, it's right where we want it for entries. This probably is the crypto dipto. Like, that's the crypto dipto. It crashed 90%. Fucking, it crashed fucking 90%. There's your crypto dipto. How much more is it gonna crash? Like, it already did. Right, Viper? What is it gonna go 95% to a real like hot baby? That doesn't. Why? Crypto's still bullish. It's holding the trend line, long-term short trend line, and it's if you measure it, okay, we're down 90% hot baby from here, from last year. What about from back here though? We are down 95%. See? It's right where we want it. It's 95% hot fucking beverage.
Hot beverage.
Already did crash. Crash is over. These things are bullish as fuck. Looks quite reasonable on the log chart here. It's not moon boy about it at all. I've no qualms, no problems with saying, yeah, this is 20x easy. Like, it's probably gonna go more than 20x in the long term. Probably go 40x, 50x over the next 5 years. Go up over $2 and go to like $10 one day and go fucking 100x. Like, given enough time, if you're talking like 5-10 years in the future, could go to $10, go fucking 100x from 10 cents. $10 is over 9,000. Vegeta, what does that scanner say about his power level? It's over 9,000. And it's not a joke. It's going Super Saiyan. Just like my hair. You see my hair today? It's Super Saiyan. Exactly, Grayscale Litecoin's lower than my cost average. I must buy more. Takes too long for money to clear. Yeah, that's true. Not on crypto. That's another huge benefit. I've been complaining about that for years. Even though my family just... Oh, somebody tries to send you a $20 birthday card or something, gift card, and do it through the bank. It takes a whole week. I'm like, just send me some crypto and I'll go overnight instantly. Do it at 2 in the morning instantly. It'll be right in the other person's account because it doesn't need any business hours. You don't need to wait for the normal business hours of the banking day, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, stupid. Crypto 24/7. Here's mana. Imagine. Just accumulating it. I think Mina was as well. You got her name on a cup back here. Mina's been loading up on this since last year. Down here. And it already popped real big and it came down a bit. It's been up, down, all around. So it's not bad accumulation on it right now as well, but that almost goes for every altcoin. Depends which ones get you excited. If you're really into like the gaming cryptos, I'm pretty sure his man is a gaming one. If I remember correctly, let's check. One of the new popular gaming tokens. Isn't this the one that's with that game that, yeah, decentral? Oh boy. Oh boy. One of the new popular altcoins, gaming crypto. It's a link to this Decentraland game. We're laughing our ass off about it one time. We were cracking up about it one time. I'm gonna have to show you the website, but they're popular. They went up a lot the past couple of, like, I wish I got in on that, but we were too busy trading AMC. We should have just all in mana back there. Why didn't we all in mana instead of AMC again? Someone please explain. How come we didn't just trade this instead? Make 8,000%. We could have made 100x off this last year already. Yeah, I wouldn't enter that right now. Being that it's up that much. That's a buzzkill. That's not exciting. People already got rich off it. That's what I mean by new popular. It's on Gemini. It goes way back there. We're gonna start using this chart from now on for it. So it's like, shit, all the altcoins are bullish right now, even it. It's the whole market cap. So it's like, okay, I guess if you're really excited about the gaming cryptos, maybe there's probably some more money to be made there. Up to $10, a few 100%. So it's probably gonna gain some more with the rest of the market cap, but I don't like how it's up that much, so I wouldn't touch it. And then what if we did have a flash crash? What if we did have a crypto flash crash? This would take a lot of damage. So that's definitely nowhere near my favorite in terms of all that. And then let me show you the actual website now, because we looked at it before and couldn't believe it almost. We almost couldn't believe how silly it looked. These character look at that bear right there. These character models look like they're 20 years old. These are like PlayStation 1 graphics. You run around with Martin with a wolf hat. Oh boy. And go hang out with Martin and Anne. Oh yeah, I started running around. You could like play it through your browser, I might be able to go on it right now. Except I'm clicking on it and nothing's happening. It's slowing down, the web's just probably gonna disconnect, fuck it. I tried, it's not loading. Maybe the server crashed, the game crashed. So this is what it really is, guys. They're trading, buy and sell land, estates, avatar, clothing, naming in the Decentraland marketplace. This is all it really is. It's digital goods and paraphernalia backed by Ethereum blockchain. That's what it. Maybe we can look at the marketplace. Here we go. I'd rather see that than the game, because the game's not exciting. I don't like how the game looks. As I have developer experience, I know a lot about gaming industry, and I'm not convinced this is gonna get popular. It doesn't look good enough. It looks outdated. I'm not sure that many people are actually gonna want to play that, the actual game. It looks childish. It looks cartoony, childish. This kind of project, I'm the perfect audience demographic to be excited about this, and I would never play this. I like games where you can build things and be creative and run around with other people around the world. But if it's all about the fucking marketplace, if this is what it's really all about, somebody just bought this green hat. Latest sales. Somebody paid real money for this. Yeah, Cameron. Hey, Cam, man. He's all into this stuff. He's the same way. He plays lots of virtual reality video games. He actually does some developing with VR and graphics, and he knows all about this stuff. And he said he tried the game and it's so boring, he doesn't like it. They paid 2 polygon for this, I guess, or 100 polygon, however much that is. I wonder how much Ethereum that was. How much does Ethereum just how many dollars is that green hat? Is that like $10? What the hell? No kid. Maybe this game's better than I thought. That's what everyone's creating. Wow. So I guess like the users themselves created this, perhaps. Maybe they made these themselves, the players. And then here, wow, that looks expensive. I wonder how much that costs. 50,000 tokens. What even is it? What the hell even is it? Am I looking at here? What is this? So, there's a terrible map. Like, I can't tell what any of this is, though. Just little squares. Vegas corner NFT gallery. Be right back, gotta go buy gotta go buy a piece of land in Decentraland for 50,000 tokens. Yeah, so it's pretty crazy that there's $4 billion in that project right now. That's what? That's like almost as big as AMC. AMC is 9 billion. That's half the size of AMC. That's half the size of GameStop market. Holy shit. Yeah, so the crazy part is that it's even went up that much to begin with, honestly. So maybe there's still room for growth with the whole crypto market, right? Because all the altcoins are bullish right now. It just... That's not my favorite for all those reasons. I think more so than people playing the video game, you have people who are interested in Decentraland and mana so they can make money. They're trying to make money off the market with those items. Trying to trade items. Yeah, true. That's exactly what it is. Compared to Roblox market cap. Can Decentraland get as popular as Roblox? You know what's interesting about this right here, beyond just the comparison, the website that they have linked here, right? This is the corporate Roblox website. This is for like investors, telling you about the company and the game and the statistics on the players, developers, the team and technology. It's not about the game, it's about, this is the investor website, the corporate website. It's a big market cap, 25 billion. We've seen it around 50 billion last year. Most of last year was 50 billion. So 25 to 50 billion. Let's say, let's just use this, 25, and then mana was 5 billion, so 5 times bigger. Can mana go 5x? And that's exactly what I was looking at on the chart. From $2 to $10 is 5x. That's what that would be. There's some room for growth. It could go up to $10.
That is kind of interesting. Much smiles catching you want.
Thanks, Cam the man. For sure. Yeah, we need to move off this one. It's pretty much all the altcoins are trending up with this. Long-term bull run. There's just gonna be some difference to the potential. Oh, okay. They don't have a coin, it's a VR world. Sounds fun, sounds interesting. Not have an excuse to. Revomon. It's like Pokemon. I like the planets. The background's kinda cool. Revomon Beta Metaverse. Beta Metaverse. I don't think I've ever seen those two words together. We really are in the new year. We really are in 2022. We're fucking beta metaverses. Yeah, it says traded on Uniswap. There's probably a coin out for it already. Well, they're getting everyone prepared for it. Yeah, the problem with these games is that's what they care about. Tell me about the game. Where's the game? They don't tell you anything about what's so cool about why you would want to play it. Why would I actually want to download it and play this fucking shit? They just go, oh, Uniswap, Pancake Swap, join thousands of traders. Like, before they even show anything about it. You can play it now. Cam. This it looks better than Decentraland. Alright, I'd rather go, if you like mana, I'd rather be long on this. Yeah, the website's a problem, but like, those graphics already look better than that last one. Incredible immersive VR technology, all these buzzwords and stuff. NF, look at let's count the buzzwords, and I'm including this. Rebelmon 1, 2, metaverse. I guess we can skip immersive, but virtual reality, NFTs, just like virtual world, real value, leverage blockchain. It's like 6 or 7 buzzwords in one fucking paragraph. Where's the game? It's still all about the pre-sale. They're doing ICO and stuff. Oh man, I'm glad. No, actually, I'm glad we were trading AMC last year instead of this stuff. What kind of chart is that? That's garbage. That doesn't tell you shit. I can make that in fucking 2 seconds on Paint. Cam, when are we starting our beta metaverse project? Hey, let's wrap up the show and let's get working on our beta metaverse gaming project. Cam, sound good? This is so dumb. Ta-da! I got a big green one over here. Wow, that was hard. What kind of fucking chart is that? What is that supposed to tell me? Like, tell anyone. So, aha. Here's the green one. This is what it says. I can read it. This is what it says. It's too small to see, but I can read it. The green one. That's all the whales who got in before everyone else. That's the developers, the whales. Here's the inside traders, the scammers who are pumping it. In pink, who have the most, the whales and the insiders, the NFT holders. And then all the blue and the gray and the leftover, that's all the noobs. We're buying it right now. And that one. So apparently it's just going straight up to the moon. That's what they're trying to say, I guess. That's projecting the future. That says 2024. They're trying to say like it's gonna go straight up for 2 more years. They're saying we're here 2022 and it's gonna keep going 2023, 2024. Valuation. Okay. Yeah, I don't trust that at all. That has no validity to it. Where's even the project though? What? There's no. That's it? That was it. Correlate. They like to race each other by rolling down the mountain. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Rolling down the mountain, he's picking his nose. Noobmander. He likes to get wrecked by buying the top and falling down the mountain. D-cute. D-cute. Very creative. Spitting walnut seeds at him. Sorella. Show off their swimming prowess. Despite their love for swimming, they hate cold water, guys. And more. Ooh, I can't wait to see more. That's all they have! That's all they fucking have? There's like, here's a couple of pictures. Now here's some fan art to get you excited. That was it! That's all they have. They don't even have real pictures of it. Yeah, this is a fucking scam. This is 100% scam confirmed. Jordan and Maxime. Is that even a real name? I've never heard that name before. Maxime? Not Maxine. Maxime. Florian and Pierre. Yeah. Alberto. I'm sure Michael's a real guy. Hey, look. They have like one game director, one lead developer, one advisor, one 3D designer. Yeah, right. They just picked a couple random names. They just stuck some random names. Real game companies, they don't just have one person in each role. And this don't even really make much sense. Like, community manager, global community manager. Well, what's the head of communications then? What the heck does that guy do? Aurelia. What does Aurelia do for head of communications if they have 2 community managers? None of it adds up. That looks total scam. There's no videos of the game. Cam said you can play it though. Where's the actual game? Maybe it's just on the VR. It's just like public. Here it is. Let's give it a try. They're probably gonna strike me. What? It's like a commercial. No, where's the game? Where's the fucking game? Show me the gameplay. All I've seen is one screenshot. That's it? They don't have any videos of it? I'm dumbfounded. I'm like shocked. It's the worst one yet. One-star review. Being greeted by Uniswap and PancakeSwap on the main page is a little confusing, as it would seem you need to pay to play the game. After a little digging, that's not the case. Go to the app, and then when it loads, press play. They make it hard to even play the fucking game. Devs, please make the sign-up process easier for people who wouldn't have otherwise figured this out. That's brutal. From the main page, it seems like you'd have to pay a rather large sum to play the game. like a step backwards for security, and this game has a real world value currency that could be a major problem. The real challenge is trying to log in and play the game. Oh, that was fun. Thanks for showing us that, Ken. He is very involved with the VR space. He's on the cutting edge of it. Knows all the popular projects. That one's not, I guess it's playable, but the token, the marketplace isn't out yet, so they're trying to like promote the coin to pump the coin to get unwitting investors locked in. I wouldn't touch that one. At least Decentraland actually has some gameplay footage on their website. Like, I tried to play it on the stream because it's really funny. It wouldn't even let me. Like, it seems to be a challenge to even just play the games. So let me ask in the chat now. After we're gonna crush some altcoin charts now, get back to the charts, but I'll ask in the chat: does anyone actually play those games for real? Because I'd like to know. Because it seems like I don't hear of anyone who actually plays those games for fun. I just hear a lot about, oh, it could become popular and be a trade or whatever. So it's kind of like the greater fool theory. Yeah. Or almost even like a pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme. All the traders are just trying to get in the projects early, right when they first come out, and then they're hoping it'll grow and catch on, and then they can sell it for a lot. So they're doing it like a chart, like a trade on the chart, but they're just FOMOing into these video game projects. And I see that over and over again, and it was the NFTs last year, and now that's still going on, right? Like, NFTs aren't really going anywhere. It's just that the gaming ones are part of that. It's hard to say how much of a bubble it really is. Yeah, the real gamers are playing Elden Ring. Yeah, real gamers don't care about virtual currency. They really don't. Well, they do, but not that kind. They care a lot about virtual currency. They want to earn it in the game by playing the game. You fight the boss, you get some gold, and you buy your items with gold in the game. They don't like the fact of paying money to buy all your items. Pay to win. And that's why Lost Ark's losing popularity now. Lost Ark became one of the most popular games in the world, and it's starting to fade away already just a month later because it's not catching on in America as much. The whole pay to win dynamic. People just want to play their game and forget about money. They're working hard at the 9 to 5, like flipping McDonald's, right? They're off to McDonald's, working hard, wearing their hat, wearing their red hat, flipping burgers for 10 hours, minimum wage. And honestly, I'd probably pay minimum wage since I put so many hours into what I do. But like, that's different. Because I'm trading, so trading is a good supplement. on top of that. The point is, they're working hard all day, grinding out minimum wage at the 9 to 5, and then they go home after a long day, and they just want to sit down on the couch, play a video game, and forget about money, forget about finances. Not sit down playing a video game and busting out the credit card. They can earn virtual cards like gold in the game. See, now virtual currency that is tainted. Now it means something different nowadays. Yeah, I'm talking about gold in the game. I'm sure you could always buy gold on third-party websites and everything. Gold resellers. It's just... that's their chance to get ahead in life. You too, Cam. Now he got me started with a video game rant and he dips out. Last thing I'm gonna say about it, because it's a virtual economy. Right? It's all part of a economy experiment almost, just like our booty coins in the chat. Like when we play our dice in the chat and stuff, it's its own little virtual economy, supply and demand. It's like, how often can you win booty coins? How often do you earn them? What's the supply of the booty coin into the market? I know, right, Pertman? Yeah, and that's the crazy part. Now all the video game streamers are like talking about stock markets. Stock streamers are talking about video games, and video gamers are talking about stock market. It's like, what the fuck's going on? Stay out of our stock world. Game streamers on Twitch should not be talking about stock markets. Anyway. It's just it's interlapping, it's overlapping now. That's what's weird about it with the virtual economies. So I think when average people, anyone named Joe, but just the average guy out there who's working minimum wage, that's his way to feel like he's accomplishing something at the end of the day. He goes on his video game, he makes some progress, he earns some gold in the game, and he goes, oh, I got a little powerful today, I got a little bit, I accomplished a goal, I accomplished a small goal, so I feel proud of myself or whatnot. If you can't earn the gold in the game and you only earn it through paying for it with real money, that sucks. That takes away the accomplishment of playing the video game. It takes all the challenge out of it. And I know that video games are all about the challenge. That's what makes it fun, and that's why trading's fun, because it's always different, it's always challenging. There you go. Brought it all back around. We brought it up full circle. Back to trading. I think it's fascinating, even if you don't care about video games at all, just to know that's kind of what's happening out there. It's a huge world all on its own, a huge sector all on its own, with like the NFT video game stuff going on. It's more popular than AMC. I'm not kidding. That stuff's way bigger than AMC or GameStop. Short squeeze. Even Roblox is. Even Roblox is way bigger. Anyway, now I'm getting worked up over short squeeze, because you saw what that coin did. Like, let's put it in perspective. Here's the AMC last year, short squeeze. We'll be generous. We'll go the full bottom to the full top. There's the whole move on AMC. If you had gotten in the exact perfect bottom on it at like $2, and then got out the exact top. That's the percent on the AMC bull run last year. 3,500%. That's 35x. That's a lot. 35x is a good bull run. That's a good short squeeze. Nothing wrong with 35x. All I'm trying to say is the gaming cryptos are way fucking bigger than that, because look what this one coin did. Meanwhile, Mana, from the bottom to the top, went 10,000%. It went triple as much. 3 times bigger. Not 3,000% AMC. 10,000% altcoin gaming crypto thing. Like, this stuff's way bigger than the short squeeze that you hear about all the time. Like, everyone talking about short squeeze, that's small compared to what's going on with all this. It's not nearly as many traders that are talking about that as there are this kind of stuff. Because this is global. This is fucking global. You got crypto traders around the world trading these gaming cryptos. And sure, you do with AMC GameStop too, but not quite to the same extent. I'm gonna grab something real quick. Be right back. One second. Hope you all enjoyed that conversation. We got another round of 7s in the chat for crypto day. Hey, boom hot pickles. We don't really need them for the charts right now, but how about some 7s in the chat for keeping going when everyone else is taking the day off.
777.
For you all too, for each other, not just for me. See, I did it. I gave you a 7s in the chat too. You're staying ahead of the crowd. Hey PP, haven't seen you here in a while. Just wondering where you've been. Always shows up for crypto. Toasting up another. Feel free. Y'all can ask some stock questions too if you want. It's okay. Nothing's off limits. I'm not expecting to see any huge action today. It's a possibility. Bitcoin's starting to bounce. It's been starting to bounce 40K this morning. So we got this first one a couple days ago, and then we had another 40,000 stop hunt yesterday. Yesterday we were at 39,000 a lot, bouncing 39, 40,000. Now we're holding above 40, is bouncing again. So it can start to speed up here. We're not gonna expect it, but it is a strong possibility that we get a bullish push here, a nice rally here. Go back up 43, 45 today. That would be the bull case. I think we might need a dollar dip for that to happen though. We may need some dollar dippy. That's why we still have to watch the dollar chart a bit. See how flat dollar is right now. It's incredibly flat. So we can't really expect a big move today. If this is flat for the next few hours, not too much will happen, but maybe we will get a nice dollar dippy. at any point here, because it's really all of this is leading into next week. At some point it'll make a decision for next week, go lower and then start the week down here and bounce, or even go higher. Let's say it could even push up and start next Monday here and then open down, resistance, rejection. Man desperately needs an opinion on waiter. Well, my opinion's the chart's lit. The chart is badass on waiter. I like the setup on waiter, but it's definitely a long-term hold. We got a double dunk. Perp man, what's wrong with you? You don't like double dunks? Can never have enough hot babies. Never have too many coffee cups. These are all those double dunks last week. The Captain's down at all-time low again. Virgin Galactic double dunk under $10, stuff like that. Ride under $3, ride kinda double dunked. There's all these re-entries, accumulation going on. Yeah, exactly. It hasn't been this cheap since 2020. Clearly we're at that bottom. So at this point, it's, well, the green box is really all the entries. This whole low area accumulation, but and there's our pirate wedge. Get back November, December. But really right now where it is, it's more like this. Maybe that makes it more clear. So my opinion on it is the chart's very nice. It's a very nice chart setup. Long-term hold though, Bitcoin's bouncing! 41K! The hedges must be watching! Those bastards! They heard me say it. I was just talking about how it could bounce today, like 1 minute ago. The sevens worked! The sevens must have worked. Great man goes, if I was a hedgy, I'd watch Denwo. Alright. We're buying all our crypto. We're coming for your altcoins next. Bitcoin 112. Woo! What's up? Surprise green dig. No surprise really. But it's actually going for it. Oh, I guess the market just opened. That's the bell. I'm ready to rock. There would be some good accumulation still on some things. Other things are just gonna be going up hundreds of percents like Jasmine. More so the last move. It will again. I'm sure it will have its time to shine again. There's good support right here. There's good bounce spots. So I'm sure Jasmine will have its time going hundreds of percents again. But some of them will also have longer until they really start going. So I'm sure there'll still be some good entries throughout the next couple months here and there. I'm ready to rock. Like, we've been loading up on crypto since last August. This is where we started getting into crypto on that breakout. Right there. Accumulating altcoins. Doing this. Started accumulating again down here. I'm ready to rock and roll. It's been long enough to get everyone who wanted some crypto exposure certainly has gotten some with TCAT, Netin, Sphere 3D, altcoins, backed holdings, Grayscale, Litecoin. Like, we've had plenty of time to get some crypto exposure. I'm not gonna stay here forever. This is the total market cap, by the way. Bitcoin plus altcoins. So really, whenever it's in here, this is our accumulation. Getting those altcoin hot babies. It's very much trending up. Like here. It doesn't look like it's gonna be here not much longer. However long it's in here, it'll bust through. Some of them will go first, like some of them will start popping already sooner than later. Other ones will take that whole length of time. Like maybe Chainlink. Chainlink might take a month to get back to $20. I can see Chainlink maybe taking a whole month to trend up to here. Or two. But some of them, Dash, even Litecoin looks that way right now, are looking to bounce just straight back upwards here in the near future, in the short term. Yeah, perhaps even ICP per minute. I like that one because it's so low. It's the all-time low on the chart, and we did crush. We smashed $20 resistance there. We already got through 20, which is a good first step. And it's on this double dip, double dunk. So not just on Wader, not just on the stocks, but also the altcoin, we're getting some double dunks. Those are the ones, no hesitation on accumulation. So maybe Chainlink takes a month or two to get back up here, but ICP might just spring right back up over the weekend. Some of them will go faster than others. now likes the fundamentals on this one. Yeah, it seems cool. So it's to do with smart contracts. So I think they're linking together certain blockchain networks to make it easier for developers to share code through the network and stuff like that, to share programs through the blockchain. So they're talking about things like file sharing, video calls, maybe even like emailing and stuff like that. The typical types of IT things that people use across normal internet networks. They're trying to establish all that on the blockchain. Make it its own kind of network in that regard. Developers. So the idea is, yeah, maybe you could call your friend through a video chat over the ICP blockchain. And maybe it costs you some ICP for the transaction to make that video call. So the more and more the network's being used to process data, in theory, the more the price of the token would go up. But really, the reality of it, Captain says it doesn't even need to actually happen. Just the fact that that's what they're focusing on gets people talking about it. It gets that media attention. They don't have to actually do all that successfully for a while. Maybe in 5 years it'll be all up and running perfectly. Just the fact that they're trying to do that sort of thing, that's the use case that they're targeting, that they have a strategy, they have a plan for the future of the token that gets people excited. That means it will likely stay around for a long time. Thanks, Bobby. He goes, "This is why you're the Captain Denwo, the only real one working on Good Friday." Hey, Frederick. I realize your name's probably pronounced Frederick, not Frederick. Let me know. Yeah, pickles and other therapeutics. We may have a chart for that. Frequency therapeutics. We've been starting to look for some new therapeutics for this, being that they're short squeezing. Yeah, all-time low. All-time low, let's fucking go. It's down on F. Interesting. We had another one that we spotted. There's Pro QR therapy. Yeah. This one. We got this one as well. All-time low potential therapeutics right in the name. So these are actually looking similar to where Agile Therapeutics was. When we got that 100% all in one day. Way down here, all-time low, they look like this. They are very similar. They haven't gone yet, they're still on the downside. So they haven't bounced yet. they're definitely risky. High risk, high reward, kind of like a dice roll. Because they've never seen any green, really. It's the only time it was ever trending up. So it's not like you're getting in on an established bull run or something where you're confident about it. It's hard to feel confident about that. Because no matter what the chart shows us, it's in danger. It's catching the falling knife, catching the falling samurai sword on that one, on those ones. It would be safer if you had it through here right now. If it was over there, be more confident about that. But by the time it happens, it could go 100% in one day, right? Therapeutics. All those shorts cover their positions. So I'd prefer to see it over there. Maybe getting started. It's hard to feel confident underneath there, but that's what makes it hot heavy. That's what, you have to be brave to enter stuff that crashed 98%. If you think they're popular enough to get some kind of retention, get some kind of recovery, bounce back. If you feel like it's popular enough that other investors will step in because it's super low, dirt cheap, I think you might be able to get in early enough, and as long as the breakout goes accordingly. So you'd have to, if you did enter stuff like this down here right now, that's where you have to be careful, and you have to watch it next week and see if it clears that trend line or not. Yeah, no, Frederick, it really is the hedges, man, because when you think about it, these are the short squeeze plays, and I'm not joking, because they must have shorted it back here, right? So, certainly they shorted it on the whole year back here last year going down, and now they're probably cashing out at the bottom, covering their shorts, closing those short positions. Springs back, and they might even go long on it. That's the other thing, is they could potentially even start going long on those things, and then they're pumping it, and they're actually helping. Like on Agile Therapeutics. Let's say they close their shorts down here, right? And that's why it found a bottom, reached its limit, they stopped shorting it. They hit their target. So it springs up, and then people FOMO in, and you got traders who entered, like you guys here, taking profits here. It sells off, and then down here the hedges might even potentially start going long on these things and actually help it go up instead of slamming it down, because then they want it to go up. Holders want it to go up. Everyone's motives align, so no one's left selling it, shorting it. no paper handlers left. Everyone's just holding it, wanting it to go up. The traders and the hedgies. If I was a hedgie, that's exactly what I would do. So they must be. They're you have to understand. And then I'm gonna have a coffee refill. You have to understand that the hedgies are at my level, they're beyond my level. So it's like they have similar skills as I do. They have the same kind of charting techniques that work for them. So they're at that master level, but they have like infinite dry powder. They have so much money, they can short this, short that, long this, long that, margin this, margin that. They can do essentially whatever they want at any time with all the dry powder. So they're beyond our level. We don't fuck with that. Like, we use them to our advantage by understanding how they play the game. Once you know how the game works. Looks like we're back. Good time for coffee break. Yeah, right when right when I'm dropping the fire, exactly. Right when I'm telling you how the hedges operate. What a coincidence. Glad I didn't wait to pillage Grayscale Litecoin last week. I was gonna open with a bang on Monday. It's looking green for the weekend. AJ Big. He was up all night charting dollar and crypto. Jumping back in the church. Coming back, churches. Go, icon, go. Very cool. Bullish crypto weekend. Yeah, exactly, Freddy. Why is the stock market close? For men, a couple of DCs this morning. Disconnects again. I'm gonna use some drastic measures. I was thinking about it on the break. Part of being live today is to test. I'm gonna have to use some drastic measures. Do what it takes to get it all running smooth. I can't really change it right now though. So I was thinking it usually is smoother on Discord day. On Wednesday there's usually no issues. And I do it slightly differently on Wednesday. To set up the private show, I'm gonna do that next time. And then maybe it'll be smoother. And then I'll test it this weekend. So we might have to just deal with it for now. Again. But we'll crush some charts a couple more hours. Sure we all feel good about this crypto kaboom. What else to call it at this point? Crypto's kabooming. Crypto traders aren't worried about anything. Just can't hold it strong. Or maybe they are. They probably are. It's weird. This is a nice, relaxing day. Let's look. Let's see, shall we? I'm scared. Close your eyes. Bitcoin supply shot. I don't even know what it's trying to say there. Coin you don't want to miss news. Okay, maybe they're not for. Yeah, Bitcoin traders are chill. Except for this guy. Bitcoin, run for your life. Okay, I'm not seeing too much panic. So crypto traders are feeling good about it, looks like. Biggest Bitcoin trap. That guy's kind of goofy though. Because sometimes when we check this guy's on Bitcoin scary. Sometimes we check it and they're all like, Bitcoin's gonna crash right now. Oh my god. Kind of proves the point that there's lots of bulls loading up on altcoins and diamond handsing their Bitcoin and their Ethereum and everything. Look at that Litecoin going for it. It's important because it's how far is Litecoin gonna go. Can have a good rally here. Over the weekend. And then, yeah, since it's the holiday and then a weekend route, there'll be FOMO. Say it does shoot all the way up, right? And we go huge on Litecoin this weekend. There'll be all the noobs who FOMO in. They see it going up a lot and they go, whoa, crypto's up 50%. I'm gonna get in on that. It sells off again. Because now we're talking giant magic triangles important. Well, Litecoin's getting up there. The giant magic triangles overpowering everything else. So we already hit the yellow light. We can hit the green light next on this bounce. Even just this weekend, boom, Litecoin's $150. It's probably gonna come down again from there. Cause no FOMO, don't FOMO in there. We're getting down here. So all the weekend traders who aren't paying attention today, they're gonna FOMO in on like Sunday at $150. Comes back down. Giant magic triangle. Support retest. And then maybe we'll be about to get the dollar crash. Maybe that's when we get the dollar crash and we have our giant magic triangle breakout. That's how we get there. It's right around the corner by the looks of it. If we bounce up to 150 this weekend, you know what's happening. It's short squeeze confirmed. Right. We get that 150 push. That'll be the start of giant magic triangle breakout. $1,000 target. 10x even on Litecoin. It's pretty insane. 100 to 1,000. Because that's a big market cap. Almost $10 billion, so if it goes 10x to $1,000, we're talking a lot. $100 billion. Because only Ethereum's that kind of level right now. Only Ethereum's over 100 billion, and Bitcoin, not even Tether, not even Binance. So the point is, it's possible for Litecoin to get here, 70 billion, 10x. It's just that if it does, like when that happens, that means Binance is going to be a lot bigger than this. What market cap will Binance have? Binance might have more of this size market cap. And what kind of market cap will Ethereum be by then? $1 trillion? Bitcoin would be like 2 trillion. Bitcoin's double, it's up pushing at 100k. Litecoin's $1,000, and this is like 2 trillion market cap. On Bitcoin, 2 trillion, 1 trillion, and then like 500 billion. That's how Litecoin can get 70 billion, 100 billion, 10x. It's the whole market cap, the whole crypto space, all of them. Here's our altcoin. Way over 1 ETH.